You ever wake up, grab your coffee, and, see that dreaded message on LinkedIn saying, your account is temporarily restricted, and feel your stomach drop?
Oh, absolutely. That moment when it all goes nope is rough. What's typically causing that restriction, though?
Well, it's mostly two culprits. Suspicious activity like, sending, say, 100 connection requests in 1 hour, or logging in from multiple countries, and then there are policy violations. Think sharing copyrighted content or using bots, even posting too many spammy links.
Interesting. So LinkedIn is practically more cautious than a bouncer at a club, right?
Exactly. It's like they'd rather block a few genuine folks than let a scammer slip in. Now, if you find yourself blocked, there's a game plan. First up is filling out that, LinkedIn restriction appeal form.
So you basically head to the help center, hit sign in even though you're locked out, and search for the appeal form?
Right on. And then you carefully explain that you're a real person. You might say something like, I believe this restriction was accidental during my job searching. Then you apologize just enough without handing over guilt and, attach proof like a government ID if they ask.
Okay, I get it. So after submitting, you just wait it out for 24 to 48 hours, right?
Exactly. But remember, don't, submit multiple appeals because that could look desperate and end up flagging your account even more.
That makes sense. Now, while waiting, what should you do to secure your account?
Great question. Next, you verify your email and phone number. Log into LinkedIn if you can, head over to Settings and Privacy, then sign in Security, and make sure you get a verification code from your email or SMS. It's kind of like, proving you're the rightful owner before any shady takeovers. Ensuring those contact details are up to date is key.
And then there's the password reset, right? Because you've got to boot out any hackers lingering around.
Exactly. You click Forgot Password on the login page, get that reset link sent, and then craft a strong new password, like 12+ characters with numbers, symbols, and uppercase letters. No reusing old ones, because that's like reusing somebody else's key.
I do wonder, though, isn't it a bit over the top for them to require such detailed steps? I mean, sometimes these processes feel overly complicated.
Sure, it might seem excessive, but it's their way of protecting the professional ecosystem.
Yeah.
Better safe than hacked, right? Plus, once you're back, you, need to avoid using automation tools, like that 55 rule for connection requests, to prevent future blocks.
Sounds like a systemic process to keep things secure and genuine on LinkedIn. What's next on the horizon for addressing common pitfalls on the platform?
Next up, they're diving into why some posts get 0 views. It's, a mysterious algorithm trick that apparently can triple client engagement.
Well, that's definitely something to look forward to. Thanks for breaking down these steps. Keeping our LinkedIn presence safe is more important than ever.
Absolutely. Stay proactive, check your settings, and, tag a friend who might be panicking over a blocked account. Catch you all next time.